Hey everyone, it is your girl, New Nails Aru, and as promised in my last video, I just told y'all I would be on again today. So I am going to do a little unboxing. I had got some packages in today, and I got some packages in on Saturday. Yesterday was Sunday. I got it on Saturday. I got some in on Friday, and the last of my stuff came in today. So everything that I purchased from Amazon. So I had got a whole bunch of 100, 180 nail files, and I think this is 12. It's 12 of them in here, right? Yeah, 12. It's 12. So I got this from Amazon. I think I spent $7, which is dirt cheap. So I got this. I picked these up, you guys. I didn't know that I was supposed to pick up the putty separately, so I just placed the order today for the putties, because if you do purchase these, and these are just stands, so when you're doing your nail design and you just want to be holding it in your hand as you do it. You see, you put the nail on top of that, and then you design the nail the way you want it before placing it on your finger. I spent $10 on this. And if you do get it, keep in mind that it doesn't come with the putty. I did not know that. So now I have to wait until I get it in, and it came with two. So I got some fruits. These are fruit. See that? I believe I spent, I'm not sure, I think I spent $5 to $7 on this. I'm gonna put the price in the description below. So yeah, from Amazon. Like I said, everything I got is from Amazon. I got some, these are the butterflies. Got that. All of this, and it came with 4. Again, I'm not going to try to guess the price. I'm gonna list it in the description so you know. These are the ones I can't wait to try. Isn't that pretty? These are so beautiful. Can't wait to use these. Kind of look like hearts. It is hearts. Yeah, that is so nice. I picked up this. This came with 30. This is a lavender. Hold up, lavender violets. This is like, I think this is, came with 30. Let me take it out the box. And it came with a top coat, base coat, and 2 top coats, but one is, my mind is gonna be blank. Why would I do this video without my glasses? I don't know. That's the base. That's the base, the top, and the matte top coat. So you get a lot of polishes. They look small. They look very small. They small, but you get a lot. So you get 30 of them, and can't wait to try them out. So, oops. Next, I'm dropping everything. Next, I got the Mccart Party Gel. This says Parisian in pink. So, let me see. Let me see. I stay ordering stuff off of Amazon. I had a podcast that I was doing, so in the beginning I was just shopping like crazy for the podcast, but now that I'm not really doing the podcast right now, just trying to focus on my YouTube channel. So please, you guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please help a sister out and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to try to post quite often and be consistent with it. Sorry, I'm trying to get this open. It comes with dual forms, which I don't really use. What's this? Ooh, I got other stuff in here too. I didn't know this came with this. Hold on. So first, it comes with 6 colors, 1 clear, white. I can't really see, so I'm not even gonna try it right now, you guys. But it comes with the base coat, top coat. It comes with the 100-180 grit file and the brush and spatula. Come with that, and ooh, I didn't even know I had this. Stop playing. This is, oh my gosh, it makes me want to do my nails right now, you guys. Look, little flowers. Oh, that is cute. And I did see this just now, but I didn't realize I was holding. I thought that was just a dual forms in my hand. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. I'm excited. So yeah, so I got this. Let me put this back in the box right now until I am ready. But I'm probably gonna tear the box, but I'm okay. So close that back up. So close that back up. How'd that go? I'm not gonna be able to close that back, but it is what it is. Let me see. There's more. So I had got this. I didn't realize though, you guys, that I put 2 in my cart. You see that? Only need 1. So I put 2 in my cart. I did open the other one. This is still closed. Y'all see the plastic still on it. So I opened up this one, and probably as my channel builds up, I'll probably just give this one away as a giveaway. So So yeah, I'm gonna probably give this one away. So there's more. So that's all my nail stuff. Now let me tell you guys that I gamble. Like I like going to the casinos. I like doing gambling online as well. So I already won, like the most I won online was $800. Like I was shocked too, you guys, and I be betting real cheap, but I get gifts from casinos. So let me show y'all what I got. So I have one more gift that's coming, which is next week. We pick up the gifts on what days? Saturday, Sundays, and Mondays. So these 3 items, hold on for a second. So I'm mad because I should have waited before I showed y'all these. Let me see, let me hide my address. Oh yeah, I can show you on this side. So far I received this one. That's the big one. This one, and I think this one, and this is the last one that I get to pick up. So I know this has nothing to do with nails, but yeah, might as well show everything since I showed you guys my nail stuff. So that is it, you guys. Oh, and I wanted to show y'all this. This was from the last order I did. You see this, you guys? I got it set up on my desk, my nail desk, and I'm gonna show y'all. See if I can get it. See, so when I'm doing nails and stuff, instead of me trying to fight to put my hand under the light, you just turn this on. Is it plugged up? Hold on. Okay, I got it for no reason because it was already turned on. So it comes with like a little switch. You push that in, and you see. And this joint right here, oh my gosh, y'all! Like it is powerful. Like it is really powerful. I'm telling you, like it seemed like it cured this better than my old lamp. So if I bought that from Amazon as well. So that is it for this video. I am going to do a nail set. Probably I'm going to do a nail set later on today, and I'll probably just post it tomorrow because I do want to try to give a video a day, rather it be a short, rather it be a regular video. I just want you guys to get used to seeing my face. So yeah. Oh yeah, let me show y'all something really cute too. It's ghetto, but it's cute. Look at this. You see this right here? It says fabulous on it, and I got my brushes and stuff in this, right? Y'all, this is a thing that we picked up from the dollar store. You know that you make the plants. We turned it upside down and put it like this on the desk, glued it to the desk so it's not going nowhere, and use it as a nail holder. So this is the next thing I gotta order me another one of. Y'all see that? It looked like it's been chewed. Gotta get another one of those. But and this right here, this was my dad's lamp. It just was green. Green is my favorite color. And my daughter took stickies and she just put stickies all over the lamp. So see the lip stars all over, lipstick. Like it helps out a lot when I'm doing nails. So again, that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Tell people about me. I am New Nails Aru. Share my videos. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. And I thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.